Hi friends, this is Siva. In 1980, there is a big trouble in solving a puzzle, that is Rubik's Cube. Here now, I will show you how to solve it. Here is the one of the Rubik's Cube, which is 3 into 3 into 3. For basic learners, I am going to show how to devise a solution for it. For this one, you should know basic notations that are required, because since there are so many algorithms to follow. The first notation is right. When I say right, turn it in clockwise direction. When I say right inverted, turn it in anti-clockwise direction. When I say up, turn it in clockwise direction. When I say up inverted, turn it in anti-clockwise direction. When I say left, turn it in clockwise direction. When I say left inverted, turn it in anti-clockwise direction. When I say down, turn it in clockwise direction. When I say down inverted, turn it in anti-clockwise direction. When I say face, turn it in clockwise direction. When I say face inverted, turn it in anti-clockwise direction. Here is the scrambled one. So choose any color of your own. I am choosing here red. First you should get the plus, so that the plus should matches, the corner pieces should matches with the center one here. This one must matches, this also matches with this one. Already I had one, so just turn it so that I will get match one. So here is the center pieces does not change, so I got it here like this, red and green. See here also there is a match it. Now see red and white. Search for red and white. Here is the red and white. Turn it down here. Just turn face 2 times. Here is this one. But you got different orientation. Means red, white. But you got white, red. Follow the first algorithm. I am going to say it. Face inverted, means like this. Up, left inverted. See, you got it here also, without changing this orientation. Now red with blue. Search with red with blue. Here is this one, red with blue. Here is this one, red with blue. Just turn it red with blue. Turn it in face 2 times, that is in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. You got it here, this one. Now you should have red with yellow. Red with yellow. Find this one for red with yellow. Here is this red with yellow. Now turn this one this side. Turn it in clockwise direction 2 times. See, you got red with yellow but different orientation. Follow the algorithm which previously I said, that is face inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted. See, you got it here. Yellow. Here also this one match it, this one also match it, this one also match. See, now you should get the corner pieces. For corner pieces, just bring the corner pieces down here. Means here is this one, red, yellow, green, blue, red, yellow, blue. The center pieces does not change. So find red, blue, yellow or red, yellow, blue. Turn this one down here. See, I had now red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue. Just turn it. Follow the second algorithm, that is right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Repeat this for n number of times to get the same orientation. I got, when I turned it first time also I got it. So find the second piece, another piece, corner piece. Find the for finding the solution, turn it this one, green, yellow and green, yellow and red. Here is this green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red. So turn this one this side, green, yellow, red. Now follow the same algorithm I already said, that is right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Repeat this for n number of times to get the solution. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Got this one corner piece. Just do the same, repeat the same algorithm for getting all these corner pieces. See, now I got all this one with this one completed, and first row completed for all this one and the center one. Now you should get the second row. For second row we should move this one. If you have green, just move with green, top position with green, and the top must mix with this color. This is white and green. This is in for right side, just